Hi guys, you're welcome back. It's your favorite fashion tutor, Damsey Fashion. We say thank you to all our subscribers. And if you are yet to subscribe, kindly subscribe and turn on your notification button to get notified whenever we post a new video. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to cut and sew a rose. This trendy rose you are seeing on the screen, I'll be teaching you how to cut and sew it. So guys, let's get started. So I have this shiny face with me, but if you don't have, you can just buy a yard of it. And here I have cut out this square. I have 7.5 by 8 inches. That's 7.5 by 8 inches. That is what I have. So I'm turning this to the wrong side. I have two of this. So what you do is you fold this, you fold it into two, then into four. We are cutting out a circle. So this is how we cut out the circle. So after folding this, you can just come down by 1.5. That's 1.5. Then shape it this way and cut. So after cutting, this is what I have. After this, we are going to cut a long material for us to create our pleats. So we are measuring 5 inches. 5 inches straight down. Then you connect as shown. Then you cut this out. Then you can have as many or as much as you can, just to make it fuller. But I'm making use of what I have now. So guys, after cutting out all this is what I have. Then the next thing is to go and join all this stripe to make them long in one piece. So we join right side facing each other, ½ inch. Then I will show you what next to do. So after joining, I have a long stripe like this. We put that aside. So the next thing is these two circles we have, right side facing right side. You place it on each other. Then you sew ½ inch round here. Then I'll turn it. So guys, after sewing, this is what it looks like. Then there is a space here to turn it. So what we just do is turn it this way. So after turning this opening, you push it inside like this. And we are going to stitch from here to here with our machine. Then you give it a nice press. So this is what I have. Then we are going to mark round our line for the pleat, ½ inch round. So after marking ½ inch round this, from this ½ inch, I mark 1 inch round. So what I'm going to do is that from this side, we connect it like we are coming this way. So from here, we make it a circle like this, like this, and like this. So this is how it will look like. Then we are going to fold this like this. Then we put it on this half inch and start creating our pleats. So the first thing you should do when you're working with a client, make sure you just weave this edge so that we make it neat. Then I'm going to show you the process. So from this line here is where we are going to start our pleat this way. So you should start creating your pleat from this edge here, the half inch we created. You make sure you align your pleat and watch carefully the way I am folding it. What you are using is what you should continue with while folding it. So I think this does not need much explanation, just to watch what I am sewing here. So here you can see the way I I brought this one up here and everything is in line with each other. So this place that is joining, I fold that side inside under the pleat so that it won't show on it. Rather, you won't know there was a joining there. So this is when I got to the ending part. That's the tiniest part. You make the pleat. At this point, it's already thicker. So after making a pleat, the rest is to remove it, and we are going to use a hand needle and thread for the finishing after doing this side. So what I did after doing this, I removed it from the sewing machine, then I brought it to this table. So yeah, look at the remaining small space. So from this remaining material, what we need is about, from here, we need about 6 inches. Then you cut it. This will serve as what we are going to pleat and fold. So you see the way I'm folding this, you make that place neat and fold it inside and make it neat. So the rest we are using hand needle. You make sure your thread is double so that it will be tight. So from under you pass the needle and you're going to sew firmly like this. Make sure you sew every way sewable. So after everything, you create your knot at the back, then you tie and cut. So guys, this is just about it. If you want a bigger rose, it's just to make it, cut the circle bigger, then your plate will be longer. So guys, this is the end result. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Love you. Bye.